So this is Points Line, and I'm back here because I think I dropped something last time. So I was here walking around and I dropped something. So I dropped my camera here. And good thing this is still here. Like this tool here. So yeah. So the story goes, I was shooting a wedding here last time, and I put my A1 on my sling, and fortunately the A1 fell from my sling. So wasn't thinking, I just had to get the A1 and keep it and make sure that it's all right. And I didn't realize that I also dropped this thing. This is the tool for the A1. Gotta cover my eyes. So yeah. It's not expensive, but it's one of the things that's so handy that you don't need to buy if you have it. But yeah, I really need this for my camera because when you change the camera, and it has a small Allen key up here. I'm gonna cover my eyes. There you go. It's not focusing. Yeah, there's a small Allen key in the tip, which I really need. And I have another one at home, but I want both cages to have a tool on each. So should be fine. Heading home now. Also, I love going around Callista and Sherbrooke because they have this lush rainforest around, and it's so nice, so relaxing. Yeah, we're in Callista right now. Yep. Yeah, and I've always loved the mountains. I've always loved nature and the fog and everything else. So that's why I love it here near Mount Dandenong, because yeah, I love the mountains. Yes, I'm home now. So the camera just got hit here. And as you can see, it's not focusing. Yeah, that's where it hit. So I just had a bit of touch-up paint on that. You can see the color of the paint is kind of different on the edges because I put a touch-up paint on there. And yeah, what drop was this one here. So due to that drop, this thing fell off. It's made of metal, and it's magnetized, so it's hard to remove this just because of that drop. It dropped that way. So I was trying to thread it there on my strap, and it fell head on first. So my camera just fell here. So this is where the area where it hit. It hit a bit of this, but there's rubber, so it absorbed everything. It didn't ruin the dial, but yeah, it ruined the sides here and just this part of the cage. So pretty lucky.